Okay, so I have another AIWA speaker to disassemble here in the AIWA speaker disassembly corner, as I now call it. Uh, if you remember, the other one had a port on one side, and this one has a port on both sides, and this one, the other one had a fixed front grill that was just a piece of fabric pulled tight by the front plastic. This one is removable, and you can see we've got a bigger speaker inside of this speaker and an actual tweeter, which is that speaker right there. And again, we have a piezo, the type of buzzer type speaker that can be barely heard, which in this case has fake screws on it. So where are all the screws on this speaker? In this case, they're underneath a plastic panel, also called the front. So there's some holes for flathead screwdriver underneath here. It won't be this easy the first time you do it. You'll have to pry all the way around. And sometimes prying underneath the base port is helpful. You can see our tweeter right there. It has an extra magnet on the back, and it is mounted onto the front panel. If you just unplug that, you've got our tweeter. Now, if we can just get this grill off, you usually have to remove it and push it out, but that tweeter resembles the AIWA tweeter in the black AIWA speakers that I had a while ago that are just falling apart now. But again, it has mounting brackets on it, and the other one did not. Now, if you remember from last time, if you watched that video, the woofer was twisted on by just the plastic tabs holding it in place. This one is screwed in by 4 screws. So, to remove those, what we're just going to do is pretty much turn them to the left, as in any other screw. They're a Phillips head, I believe a number 2 Phillips screw. And they're very short screws and easy to get out. And the first time I saw this speaker, I was wondering, why isn't there a capacitor hooked up to the tweeter to lower the tweeter volume? Could there be an actual crossover inside? Well, if we just get that out and unplug it, and by the way, look at how big that is. That's 150 watts right there. Be testing that in a future video. You'll be able to see that our capacitor is mounted onto an actual crossover board, and it has an inductor coil for the woofer. So this speaker is definitely built better than the last AIWA speaker, and, you know, the difference is really huge in the sound between a 30-watt speaker and a 150-watt speaker, so pretty much that's what makes the difference between two similar-looking AIWA speakers so big. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in my next video.